Hey everybody, working on the Harley today, and my goal was to try and get the outer primary cover on and get the clutch working, which I think it's working. I'm probably going to need some more fine-tuning adjustment. Tried to follow along on a vid of how to do it. So we got that done, and then the big thing was this brake rod. You guys can see this. Oh, you can't see it from over here. Here's the brake rod. You see it moving in here? Since this is a couple of different years, basically there's no bushing sleeve that goes across the frame here. So I got a drill that was, I think it's a 17.5 millimeter drill, and we got it, and I just, drilled in from either side and ran it through. You can see it's moving. We got to figure out the placement of all this, and we got it so that we got our brake lever on here, but we're not going to be using this brake lever because we don't have a spot for the foot pegs and everything. That's the biggest problem. But the solution for all that is Ford controls. They mount up here by the main mount, and then it comes out and it comes down here, and it replaces this rod, right? This lever. See, we can pull this off of here. See? And there's some linkage then that goes along here and connects to the brake rod. So my biggest thing is, it's like there really wasn't much I can do. So like I said, we'll just grease this up on either side. And then I got these shaft collars so we can lock it from going, see, in and out, left and right. So we got three shaft collars. I was going to put another one over here, but I think that it's going to be in the way. I think that it needs to come back a little bit more this way, like I had it. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. This was a big deal, is getting this brake rod in here, this cross shaft, and just making sure that the brake pedal fit, because the Ford controls are going to need to go where this went on the end of the shaft here. We had to clean these up with a file, dress them, cleaned everything up. So that's what's going on. I just need one of my buddies to help me get the clutch permanently adjusted. I mean, this feels pretty good. He knows what he's doing. I'd never done a Harley clutch before, so. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for some money so I can buy some parts. Like I said, I'm gonna get the Ford controls. That's like $300 from Dennis Kirk. And yeah, another thing, we did get a real battery, Harley battery. I just got to get the acid. I'm going to hook that all up. And we just got to keep working on putting her together. Better hurry up and do something because my tank's starting to surface rust. So, but yeah, that's about it for this weekend. Like I said, I don't have too many parts, but I wanted to focus on the clutch and that brake rod cross shaft deal. So, all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. And trying to think, I've been doing more motovlogs lately, but because not everybody seems to be enjoying the Harley build, which is fine. But we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, easy.